in Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to revisit my Southern pimento cheese. I did this 3 years ago, right around Christmas almost 3 years ago, and it was a rush job, so I definitely wanted to redo this. Alright, I've been making this one for years. I probably started about 8 years ago, and everybody loved it. Alright, first you need 8-ounce block of cream cheese that's softened to room temperature. And I'm going to put everything in it right now. You need about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You need 16 ounces of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack or a mixture of anything. I am using a mild cheddar. A 4-ounce jar of diced pimentos, and do not drain them. Now you can add salt if you want to, but I don't recommend it. But I'm really funny about sodium, about salt. I am going to add some pepper. And some granulated garlic. Alright. And you mix this up with your hand mixer. Or your stand mixer. The thing about it is, I've made this and I've had people that don't like pimento cheese, my husband being one, and one of my friends that like, oh my God, that's good. Yummy. Now I'm going to taste this. Perfect. Alright, I'm going to get some paper plates and some bread and some chips, and we're going to have lunch. Be right back. Alright guys, I made my sandwich. Look at that. Now the thing about this is, you store it in the refrigerator. But you can eat this on bread. I love grilled pimento cheese sandwiches. They're also good with crackers, anything. But take it out maybe 20 minutes prior to using it because it gets real stiff in the refrigerator. So this is my Southern pimento cheese, revisited. I want to thank y'all for joining me. As I said earlier, my format now is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 2 p.m. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Share this out on your social media. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Do y'all like pimento cheese? Alright guys, lunch is ready. See y'all soon.